Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Charm, and today our lesson is about comparing numbers. Right, let's go first for vocabularies. Greater than. A symbol used to show numbers greater than the other. Less than. A symbol used to show numbers less than the other. Equal. A symbol used to show numbers having the same value. Now, there is another word for greater than. Bigger than, or you can also say greatest and biggest, just the same. Less than or smaller than, you can also say the least and the smallest. Equal to or the same as, right? Remember, the hungry alligator will eat or always eats the bigger number. Take a look at the picture. The hungry alligator eats 76 than 67. All right, so just always remember, always face your symbol to the bigger number. How to compare numbers? Number one, line up the numbers. 258, 271. 8 and 1 is lined up in one's place. 5 and 2 is lined up in 7th place. 2 and 2 is lined up in 100th, but it doesn't mean it will line up like that way. Just consider according to its place value. Meaning, you compare numbers by its place value. Okay? That's the meaning of line up the numbers. Next, compare at the highest value. So the highest value there is the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, so 2 and 2 is in the hundreds place. Now, if the numbers are the same, go to the next digit to the right. So that is, the next digit to 2 is 5. The next digit to 2 is 7. So what do you think is bigger, 5 or 7? Take a look at that. The hungry alligator will eat 271 because it is bigger than 258. So the answer is less than. So you read with me as I read how to read this number. 258 is less than 271. Next example, line up the numbers. We have 4-digit numbers. I mean, when you say line up, meaning you compare numbers by its place value or according to its place value. So there you have it. So the next thing you will do is to compare at the highest level. The highest value there is in the thousands place. So there, 5 and 5, they are the same again. So the numbers, if the numbers are the same, go to the next digit to the right. The next digit to 5 is 7. The next digit to 5 is 4. So 7 and 4, what do you think is bigger, 7 or 4? So definitely, the hungry alligator will eat 5,708. So the answer is greater than. So 5,708 is greater than 5,412. All right. How to compare numbers? Line up the numbers. 7,006, 854. Look at the numbers. One set of number has 4-digit number. One set of number has 1-digit number. Okay, as I have said, you compare at the highest value. So the highest value there is thousands place, but the other one is in the hundreds place. So try to look at that one. The 7, automatically nothing in 854. There's nothing in the thousands place. So obviously, the whole numbers with more digits are always greater than with fewer digits. So 7,006 has 4-digit numbers. 854 has only 3-digit numbers. So 706 will be eaten by the hungry alligator. So the answer is greater than. 7,006 is greater than 854. How to compare numbers? As I have said, you are going to compare numbers according to its place value. We have 5-digit numbers here. Compare at the highest value. 3 and 3. So if they are the same, go to the next digit to the right. The next digit to 3 is 8. The next digit to 3 is 8 again. So they are the same again. So if the numbers are the same again, go to the next digit to the right until you get the final answer. So the next digit to 8 is 5. The next digit to 8 is 2. So what do you think is bigger, 5 or 2? So the hungry alligator will eat 5 rather than 2. So the answer is greater than. 38,517 is greater than 38,258. Okay, take note. Greater than and bigger than are the same. Less than or smaller than are the same too. Okay? Now, the next thing we will do is to find the greatest number. Okay? I will give you sets of numbers. You find there what is the greatest and find the least number too. All right, are you ready? Let's start. These are the numbers 1,709, 450, 45,100, 9,007, 17,540. What do you think is the greatest number? And what do you think is the least number? Yes, the greatest number is 45,100. The least number is 450. Right, we have another one, 8,794, 4,879, 7,948, 9,748, 9,847. What do you think is the greatest number? What do you think is the least number? Okay? All right, so the greatest number is 9,847. The least number is 4,879. Okay? All right, let's have another one. 6,009, 6,090, 9,000, 6,000, 6,900. What do you think is the biggest or the greatest number? And what is the least or the smallest number? The greatest number is 9,000. The least number is 6,000. Right? Next one, we have 5-digit numbers. We have 74,350, 75,430, 37,450, 53,740, 45,370. Right, what is the greatest number? What is the least number? Look at the numbers properly. Follow the rule. And the greatest number is 75,430. And the least number is 37,450. Okay. Right, let's go to the next number. Oh, very easy. 3-digit numbers only. Okay, what's up? 700, 746, 600, 476, 674. Very easy. What do you think is the greatest number? What do you think is the least number? The greatest number is 746. The least number is 476. Okay, very easy. All right, next one, 5-digit numbers. 29,875, 25,978, 72,589, 58,672, 92,578. What do you think is the greatest number? And what is the least number? Very easy. The greatest number is 92,578. The least number is 25,978. Okay. All right. So let's have the next numbers. 21,900, 9,410, 19,400, 14,900, 9,104. Okay, so as you can see, there are sets of numbers having 5-digit numbers, and there are 4-digit numbers too. So look at properly the numbers. Okay, so the greatest number there is 41,900. The least number is 9,104. Okay, now let's read the following words. When I say greater than or greater than, the same. When I say smaller than or less than, the same. Equal to or same as. Okay, now it's time for you to answer. I have here two sets of numbers and you're going to compare numbers. 6,490, 6,940. What do you think? Is it greater than or less than? All right, so the answer is less than. How are you going to read that? 6,490 is less than 6,940. That's how you're going. Read with me as I read, right? Next one, 7,109, 1,970. Look at the thousands place. Yes, the hungry alligator will eat that one. The answer is greater than. So 7,109 is greater than 1,970. Okay? So that's how you're going to read in a complete sentence. Right, next number, 12,830. 12,830. Very easy. Look at the 10,000 place, the same. 2 and 2 the same. 8 and 8 the same. 3 and 3 the same. 0 and 0 the same. So definitely this is equal. Okay, this is equal. So the answer is equal. 12,830 is equal to 12,830. All right, next one. 8,132. 8,132. Yes, it will definitely eat the bigger numbers. So the answer is greater than. How are we going to read that? 8,132 is greater than 8,123. Okay, very good. 5-digit numbers. So we have 58,367, 68,367. What do you think? Look at the first digit in the thousands place, 10,000s place. 5 and 6, what do you think? Of course, the hungry alligator will eat the 6 than the 5. So the answer is less than. So 58,367 is less than 68,367. Okay. Next one. Oh, 908 3-digit numbers, 1,000 4-digit numbers. As I have said, the whole numbers with more digit numbers is always greater than the whole numbers with less than or fewer digit numbers. Okay, so definitely the hungry alligator will eat 4-digit numbers, 1,000. So the answer is less than. 900 is less than 1,000. 5-digit numbers, 41,781, 85, 14,785. Again, 41,785, 14,785. The hungry alligator will eat 41,000 than the 14,000. So the answer is greater than. 41,785 is greater than 14,785. All right. Next one, 9,458, 4-digit numbers. 19,854, 5-digit numbers. What do you think? 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers? Of course, the whole numbers with more than digit numbers is always greater than the fewer digit numbers. So the alligator will eat the bigger one. The answer is less than. 9,458 is less than 19,854. Five-digit numbers and five-digit numbers. 75,000, 74,967. Look at the highest value, 7 and 7. Look at the next number, 5 and 4. What do you think? So, of course, the hungry alligator will eat the 5 than the 4. So the answer is greater than. So how do we read that? 75,000 is greater than 74,967. 12,356, 12,356. 1 and 1 the same, 2 and 2 the same, go to the hundreds place, 3 and 3 the same, 5 and 5 the same, 6 and 6 the same. Obviously, it is equal. The answer is equal. So 12,356 is equal to 12,356. Okay. So we have here 98,537, 98,357. Of course, 9 and 9 the same, 8 and 8 the same. You go to 5 and 3. Of course, 5 will be eaten by the hungry alligator than the 3. So the answer is greater than. Okay, 98,537 is greater than 98,357. All right, you're doing a good job this time around. Okay, this time around you are going to by yourself. Okay, now do not copy the numbers. Okay, you just write greater than, equal, or less than. Just write in your paper. Okay, write down in your paper less than, greater than, or equal. You don't need to copy the number. Write 1 to 10 and write equal or greater than or less than. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to answer right now. 0. Time's up. Now let's see the answer. Okay, are you done? I hope you're done. This is very easy. All right. So these are the answer. Number 1, 56,431 is less than 67,543. Number 2, 70,098 is less than 76,111. Number 3, 21,111 is greater than 11,111. Number 4, 10,001 is equal to 10,001. Number 5, 18,761 is greater than 18,711. Number 6, 11,101, 111 is less than 11,117. Number 7, 33,221 is equal to 33,221. Number 8, 76,111 is greater than 11,167. Number 9, 98,711 is greater than 89,711. Number 10, 84,847 is less than 84,874. There you have it. The answers are there. I hope you get 10 correct answers. So I'll see you again next time. Thank you for listening and see you. Bye.